Hello again, and this is part 2 on my test batching. And this time it's going to be a fragrance called Deadly Weapon. Originally, I was aiming for deep burgundy, green, and maybe a little bit light green, but then I decided to do deep burgundy and kind of darker shade of green. So I used for my green colorant green oxide, and then I added some bamboo charcoal. For my red colorant, I used red mica, a little bit of brown oxide, and charcoal. Then later on, I added more oxide and more charcoal. And the colorant originally and the soap butter was really nice, had really nice, like you can see here, like deep red color. Originally, I was aiming for marble design for all test soaps, but then something changed, and in general, for a masculine soap, it's not that important. I wouldn't say that men really care about design of the soap. So as you can see here, the color is still very nice. It's not brown, it still has a lot of red, and the fragrance doesn't accelerate, so everything is going great. I like the color of the butter a lot, and I think it came out great. And here you can see it started to thickening up a little bit, and I think burgundy was a little bit thicker than the green one, and at this point it's second stage of tracing. After this, I put this mold into the preheated oven, and this is second day. It comes out really easy and nicely. It has some soda ash, but when I start using it, the color will come out. In general, I like the look or how this soap came out. But for the future reference, I think I will change the look a little bit. I will add a white color, and it will give this soap more dramatic look, or maybe more marblish look. I'm just making up words. But anyway, it will look better, I think, with some white. I used to use veggie peeler for soap beveling, but then I bought this beveler and I just love it. It's also adjustable, it's inexpensive, and that's why I like it. As I have mentioned in my first video and in the beginning of this video, this is going to be something like a series, and they're gonna be 5 parts or 5 series, and this is the second one. And in my next one I'm going to do weather turning fragrance, and then one night stand, and after that a fresh bamboo. Also, I was thinking about making gifts for the Valentine and Father's Day and in general. That's why I made soap of this size, and I bought boxes and I like them very much. So these soaps, these smaller bars, are designed especially to fit that particular box. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe, because I'm gonna be posting many more, hopefully. Well, thank you for watching.